today's morning assembly by class 3rd B. So, we welcome you all in our special assembly celebrating Janmashtami, the joyous occasion marking the birth of Lord Krishna. This festival is not only brings the arrival of Krishna but also serves as a reminder of his divine teachings and the values he stood for.
Janmashtami is a time to reflect on Krishna's life and his teachings. Let us come together today to celebrate this wonderful day with music and deeper understanding of Krishna's message. As we begin our celebration of Janmashtami, let us center our thoughts and open our hearts with a soulful prayer to invoke the blessings of Lord Krishna. So I would like to call the choir group on the stage to start this special day with a beautiful prayer. Please join them as they connect us to the divine spirit of Krishna.
Give for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should. Help us to do the things we should. To be to others kind and good. To be to others kind and good. In all we do and work or play. In all we do and work or play.
Updating ourselves with the current happening is a good habit. It broadens our perspective and knowledge. Before we dive into our main celebration, let's take a moment to catch upon some important news updates by Bhavika Kaushik.
Morning everyone, I am Bhavika Kaushik. I am your news reader. Today's news headlines are: Haryana will go to polls in a single phase on October 1st. Nowadays, scientists are trying to warm up red planet Mars. Now some sports news. American gymnast Jordan has got bronze medal in gymnastics. Now I would like to invite Ayan and Akriti to share their wonderful thoughts of the day.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम आकृति दुबे है। आज का सुविचार है, भगवान कृष्ण के उपदेशों से भागवत गीता हमें जीवन के अर्थ और कर्म के पथ प्रदर्शिका प्रदान करती है। उनकी बातों में ज्ञान और प्रेरणा की एक अनंत धारा है जो आज भी हमारे जीवन को दिशा देती है। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।
Good morning everyone. My name is Janmashtami. The thought of the day is, whatever happen, happen for the good. Whatever is happening, happening for the good. Whatever will happen, will also happen for the good. Thank you. I hope today's thought made you feel blessed and energetic. May Krishna ji bless your life. Happy Janmashtami to all.
It's time to invite Nirvi to enlighten us with her thoughts.
Great. Your teachings of Gita, open heaven's gate, your discourse of Karam Yog is part of every religious debate. Oh Lord Krishna, you are very, very great. Good morning everyone. My name is Nirujala and today I am here to speak on the topic Janmashtami. The word Janmashtami is made of two words. Janam meaning birth and Ashtami meaning 8th day. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, who was born on the 8th day of the dark fortnight of Shravan month. He was born to destroy evil from this world. On this day, devotees keep fast and worship Lord Krishna by singing bhajans. Little idols of Krishna are bathed, clothed and put in a cradle. Temples are decorated with flowers and lights. Many temples hold elaborate ceremonies, reenacting episodes from Lord Krishna's life. It was Lord. At many places, Dahi Handi takes place, in which a human pyramid is formed to break an earthen pot hung at a certain height. It was Lord Krishna who delivered the famous sermon of Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. On this auspicious day, let us pledge to embrace his teachings and live a life of action, compassion and righteousness. Wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. Jai Shri Krishna.
श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। घी के दीप जलाएं, मिश्री का भोग लगाएं, अष्टमी के पर्व पर कान्हा का सुमिरन गाएं, कष्टों का निवारण हो और कट जाएं बाधाएं। श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की शुभकामनाएं। तो आइए सुनते हैं देवांश जैन की सुंदर कविता।
मेरा नाम देवांश जैन है। मैं कक्षा तीसरी ब का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको जन्माष्टमी पर एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। देवकी ने जन्म दिया, यशोदा मैया ने पाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। कारागृह में जन्म हुआ, वासुदेव का वो लाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। लीला करता नित्य नहीं वो, यशोदा मैया का वो लाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। माटी खाए ब्रह्मांड दिखाए, नटखट बड़ा है नंद लाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। माखन चुराता ग्वाला संग, वंशी बजाने वाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। धेनु चराता वन वन जाता, मुरली बजाने वाला, ये गोपाला ये गोपाला। कृष्ण कन्हैया रास रचैया, गोपियों के मन को हरने वाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। गोपियों को अपनी धुन पे नचाता, ऐसा है वो ब्रजवाला, रे गोपाला रे गोपाला। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।
Please put your hands together to welcome our next performance with their devotional song.
of Janmashtami, marking the birth of Lord Krishna. In honor of this divine occasion, I am pleased to share a poem that captures the essence of Krishna's miraculous arrival and his enduring legacy. Here I go. Krishna, you give me courage, you give me hope, you teach me patience and right from wrong. You are my guardian angel and my best friend. You are everything I want from beginning till the end. You are the best company one could ever ask for.
when nothing matters anymore. You are always with me everywhere I look. Be it the breeze, the soil, the trees, or the water flowing down the brook. You know my darkest past and my beautiful future. You feel the pain I feel, and when I feel the pleasure, I wish you were here. I wish I could talk and you respond, but even then I know you are there, no matter what. Thank you and have a blessed day ahead. Happy Janmashtami to all.
जब जब होता नाश धर्म का और पाप बढ़ जाता है, तब लेते अवतार प्रभु और विश्व शांति पाता है। आगे की श्रृंखला कृष्ण जन्म से शुरू होती है। आइए चलते हैं मथुरा के उस कारागृह की ओर।
पक्ष की अष्टमी अर्धरात्रि बुधवार, कारागृह में कंस के भयो कृष्ण अवतार, भयो कृष्ण अवतार।
हे वसुदेव सुदेव, हे बालक मानव जाति का उज्ज्वल भविष्य है। इसे अपने नंद राय के यहाँ छोड़ा।
स्वामी, आप कैसे जाओगे? इन हथकड़ियों और पहरेदारों का क्या करोगे?
देवी, मैं कौन होता हूँ करने वाला, जिसने ये कहा है मैंने आप देखे।
हे भगवान, मेरी पुत्र की रक्षा करना।
वासुदेव गोकुल में नंदराय के घर कृष्ण को छोड़कर उनकी नवजात पुत्री को अपने साथ लेकर आते हैं। वहां गोकुल में सभी को खबर हो जाती है कि हमारे मुखिया नंदराय जी के घर पुत्र ने जन्म लिया है। इस जन्मोत्सव के अवसर को गोकुल निवासी हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना।
हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, हे